Damn, that's the night vision? Oh my God.
Middle of the pit, I'm tryna nut. She done called me 5 times, she tryna fuck.
Real deal P, nothing like your last dude.
It look like Trump. Got a red eye in the morning, smoking all she wanna do is pull up with me to the club. Pit internet pop, 2CB, baby, show me about the Hollywood drop.
Popular, hold on, graduation,
Actually got little me's in this bitch. What's that word, nigga? Got Lil. Yep. All that. You know what I'm saying? You already know my boy over there. Big serving. Got, yeah, alright now. Look, I'll dinner get on that with you.
This is senior week.
But nigga, he got some hoes. Ain't got motion tomorrow. So, my boy, getting right. Yes, sir. I mean, too crazy. You know, smooth out, like you did last time. Look at this, is P. Look at that. How you focus? Got my name on there. Real deal P, nothing like your last dude.
Were you specifically looking for a double wrap?
Real deal. How you focus this bitch? I think they blue. I think they black. How much was it? It was only like, it was 80, but I had that, what's the name? A gift card for 100.
She calling the people right now.
Throw that Starbucks down the hallway. What is
We missed the flight going to Sayers Way.
Congratulations, grandson. I'm so proud of you. Your granny's going to be cheering for you tonight when you walk across that stage.
Wonderful accomplishment. Very happy for you. Now put it to work. Keep doing all the things that you're doing. Success is yours. Congratulations.
Well quoted, Ma. It's the graduation camera.
All right.
So
We're so proud of the graduate. I'm so happy for you, Khalil. May God continue to bless you. It's such a tremendous day, event, and weekend. Congratulations, you did it. It wasn't an easy feat, but you did it.
Congratulations, Khalil. So proud of you. It's been a joy to have you here with us. We made it. You made it. So, you know, blessings to you and looking forward to the next adventure, the next part of your journey.
Congratulations, nephew.
Congratulations, young boy. You did it. Told you before. I'm proud of you. Very big accomplishment, especially since you finished in a timely manner. Me and Mama took a little bit longer, but you did your thing.
I'm not in this video.
Keeping it real.
First hill.
Like a hood up in that mother.
I just put up in that motherfucking.
Cheese on, taste the chicken, what you telling me? Alright, how I end this motherfucker? I'm done.
I'm back outside. Cute.
Ski.
What up, boy? Gangs and all that shit.
Yeah.
What's up, gang? We here celebrating our Clark Atlanta graduates, and we about to be taking no slow shots, okay?
No,
Only
no.
fast shots, because we know how the human body works. On
Yeah,
this bitch.
we live like fast.
Okay, we moving fast, never slow.
Yeah. Yeah, what the fuck y'all on?
Tacos and tequila, man.
no cap.
Hey, we really legends, bro. I think, bro, a lot of the shit we do, niggas don't do. Actually, let's call housekeeping now.
Nigga, that's what I said. Like,
But that bed might take up space for like the pregame.
a big mic.
Try to juice the B&Bs. Oh, so both of y'all niggas on her shit. Okay, cool.
What the fuck is host? Oh, you said you want that shit done now.
Ashton,
Is this bitch even going right now?
Damn, that's the night vision?
The party never ends. And I'm on my you'll be all out of love in the end.
Spent 10 hours on it.
Crazy.
I had this before.
You have?
No, tell him. Crazy.
Oh, hold on. I might have to copy them.
Hold up the shadur.
Crazy.
Look at the dance this nigga doing.
Tell a bitch. Shut up.
Hey, this nigga did an evil laugh and walk away.
I'm about to have these bitches hanging like, huh? I'm popping out with these bitches for short tonight.
Fresh as hell. Is black and white or is he green and white? Black and white. I put away my head. Yeah. Real tweet.
Damn, this shit probably look crazy on shrooms. I don't even know what to say. All I know is me and all my niggas fresh as hell. All our homegirls fine as hell. We finna get turned as hell. Graduated 2025. You kids don't sit. It's bullshit. All one-on-one.
We popping out with all the fly niggas, fine bitches. I'm tripping. Tell me I'm Clay Thompson.
Explore all your opportunities. Explore everything. Don't just look at yourself. Don't be small-minded. Be open-minded. And be the biggest person that you can. Love you.
Attack this shit, man. Don't care what nobody say, bro. You already know how we doing it, man. Go take over the world, my boy. I ain't gonna have to say too much to you. Big smoke, nothing wrong. Stay fresh. Look. Hey, bro. Yeah. Look how this shit look off the black and white.
I said fuck it, drop it. Can't do window shopping if I want it, I'm not. In this bitch with options, FN or the Glocky. I could really rock it, I could Gucci sock it, I could really spark around these niggas.
Tomorrow is the big day.
Right.
What's that vlog?
It is tomorrow.
Yeah, hopefully I wake up.
Yeah.
Oh, hopefully.
Yeah, really. Business management.
How you feel, boy? How you feel to be graduating?
Yeah, tomorrow I know. That shit to go viral. Bitch ass niggas there recommend the cycle.
Hey, hit me up.
Yeah. Bad bitch up, running up the brain, it sound like Tyra Bank. I just came off first up on the hot bitch thinking fuck, she telling me talk, she talking what she think. Pussy, hey. This little nigga gon' sue himself. You hanging with a snitch, nigga, I know that you a snitch as well. I ain't gonna tell him myself. The bitch is telling me to write a statement, I say go to hell. Bitch, I'd rather go to jail. I'd rather pop a bar and walk up inside a wholesale. They ain't gonna load himself for real. Bitch ain't gonna load himself.
Oh, you already got it out.
I need to scare myself. You got this bitch ain't gonna scare himself.
Let's hit the wall, nigga. Niggas always ain't gonna stand themselves. These niggas ain't gonna pop themselves. Let's see who's gonna pop the best. Let's see who's gonna pop the best. You know these here little goofy ass pop the best. I'm on the road, you gotta fuck yourself. Fuck money off the fuck yourself.
Okay.
I don't know myself. I ain't mad, I'm just getting visas. Have miles from your top, give me no reason. Then my cousin live like he last 3 seasons. And then rain all day, I call him Big Jesus. I don't have to do it by myself.
Night vision. That's my like. Hey, slime bitch.
Delilah. His name is Delilah.
Wait, everybody say what's up to the vlog.
Okay, period.
You said his name what?
Yeah. Wait. Real black truck. Uber everywhere.
Uber everywhere, free rolls in my VIP.
Uber everywhere. They don't know about that. They clearly don't.
No, I was about to say they definitely don't know. That's a song.
Turn up in them motherfuckers got Hoodie, I know you just made that. When?
Yo.
Girl. A whole lot of that.
Okay. What you got on though, bro? What? What are you talking about? Boogie been watching that streaming bro.
So what, man? I've been seeing funny ass clips. That nigga did.
Him and Jules just been them. And then like Reggie turned out.
Bro, I do redemption.
Oh yeah, facts.
This is my kryptonite.
But you gotta make this. Go ahead.
These bitches going? Hold on.
Where is it?
Okay, can we do 10?
I need some
Yeah,
For sure. Yeah.
I make shivers above